Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a couple of items which I bought the other evening. Now, I don't collect tools, I don't buy stuff just for the sake of it, and I'm certainly not going to waste my money. But I spotted these in ALDI the other evening when I was having a bit of a potter around, and I snapped up two. I'll reset the camera and get back to you. So what have we got then? Well, they're described as being multi-purpose supports. I would actually describe them as being trestles, really, for want of a better word, but they are of course adjustable. Now, these are basically 13 quid a piece, which I thought was an absolute bargain. The boxes are heavy, which hopefully suggests they're made of good quality sturdy materials. They appear to be all metal. And for 13 quid a piece, I think they're a bargain, assuming of course they're any good. So that's what they look like. These are the specs. Now, 200 kilos, it's got to be about 30 stone, which is a humongous amount. Adjustable height, 800 to 1300, that's good. Support bar length, in other words, the width of the bar, 680mm, and the stand size, well, you can see, can't you, 580 by 580. So anyway, look, I'm going to unbox one of these. I'm not going to do both of them because I don't need both of them at this minute. But I thought if I just get it out of the box, let you have a look what it is, just in case you think that you need one or two, and, you know, before stocks become completely depleted from your local branch of the ALDI stores. So that's got to go there. What else we got? So, got some instructions, a bag of nuts, bolts, washers, that sort of stuff. So that's just, if you do that, I'm just going to stick that in there for a minute just to get the damn thing in there. So that needs to come over there to lock it into place. We need to do that on both sides. That's probably better to do it that way. Just a stock timber, that sort of stuff. Falling off the edge, you know, which I think is quite neat. It's made of steel, tubular steel. And, you know, I don't doubt for a minute that this is actually quite strong. You know, if you put vertical pressure on it, I am a little bit concerned though that it does actually have a bit of side wobble. You can probably see, look, it is wobbling to the side a bit. That I think really is a little bit of a concern, but then again, I mean, what do I expect for 13 quid? It is adjustable. And it's got a really good range of movement on it. Let me just move the camera. Now I'm 6'4", and one of the things which I frequently find is the fact that I have to bend down a lot, and you know, that does hurt my back if I'm honest. So given the fact that this is adjustable, I mean, you've got a decent range of movement as well. I mean, let's be fair about this. You know, the locking mechanism is adequate. I can find it down. Where's it gone? This way around, isn't it? Bloody things. Okay, so I mean, 13 quid. So let's have a little think about this then. So it's got good range of adjustment. It's made of tubular steel, square steel. I've no doubt that the vertical weight, or the weight pressing down, is going to be quite substantial. I am a bit concerned about the fact that it does wobble from side to side a little bit. It looks nice, you know, got the shiny black stainless steel, and it's cost 13 quid. Now, I think it's worth it. I think it's well worth it. 13 quid is a small amount of money, and I think you get quite a bit for your money. It could certainly do with having another crossbar just to give it a little bit more rigidity, but I suspect that if you're reasonably handy and you've got the right tools, you could probably quite easily organise that yourself actually. I think it's worth it. I think it looks very nice. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed about the lateral movement, but it might well be the case that I'm just being unreasonable. As I say, 13 quid is not a lot of money, and I'm absolutely delighted with the range of movement on here. It really is quite significant. Yeah, I think it's good value for money. Yeah. So anyway, look, I hope you liked the video. If there are any left in Aldi, which is where I purchased it from, I think you ought to take a punt. Now clearly, if you get something like this, I mean, you really need two, don't you? You really need another one to work in tandem with this to get the best from it, really. I think it's going to be extremely useful, and I'm glad I bought them. 26 quid, I think it's really good value for money. That's it really, guys. Anyway, look, I hope you found the video useful, and I hope it's given you a heads up about a product which I think represents very good value for money. So yeah, all I need to do now is just make up the other box. Alright, thanks for watching, take care all, bye bye.